Hello, and welcome to a very special edition of Inline Performance Magazine. I am your host, Paul. Today, we will be installing this, a handmade Leo Vinci ZX Performance Exhaust. It features increased performance and higher acceleration and a larger top end. In stark contrast to our performance shock that we installed earlier, the new exhaust system is actually 6.5 pounds lighter than the original. Attach the sealing ring before attaching this end to the scooter. Then attach this end. Attach this mounting bracket here, and then align the holes in order to more fully take advantage of the higher top end and quicker acceleration offered by our Leo Vinci ZX Performance Exhaust. We're going to change the springs and the roller bearings in the transmission. In order to access and change the roller bearings and the springs, you have to remove the plastic shroud and the bolts from the valve cover. If you push this down, you won't have to take out this bolt, you won't have to remove the kickstarter. And this comes off, and we replace the springs and roller bearings in this section. Now that the cover's off, you use an impact wrench, or you can hold this with a different wrench to remove this nut. If you don't, this entire assembly will spin. Once this is removed, we'll expose the de-restricting washer. If you leave this in place, your scooter will stay de-restricted. We, however, are going to discard that. Move the belt and hold the back of this. There'll be a second plate behind this that you want to remove as a unit to keep these roller balls in place. Afterwards, we insert the new ones. After putting the new springs in, we'll tighten up the bolt and put it back on. Stay tuned until next time, and be sure to check out Aprilia board.